Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pizza using Vito Iacopelli's easy method. We start by preparing a poulish, a fermented starter. Combine 300 milliliters of lukewarm water, 5 grams of dry yeast, 5 grams of honey, and 300 grams of 00 flour. Mix these well, cover, and let it sit at room temperature for 1 hour, then refrigerate it overnight. This simple step builds incredible flavor for your pizza dough. The next morning, take your poulish out of the fridge about 30 to 45 minutes before you start. In a large bowl, combine the poulish with 1,250 grams of 00 flour and 40 grams of salt. Slowly add 700 milliliters of lukewarm water, allowing the flour to absorb it gradually. Knead this mixture for 8 to 10 minutes using a stand mixer, or over 10 minutes by hand, until it forms a sticky, yet unified dough. After kneading, lightly coat a bowl with olive oil, place your dough inside, cover it, and let it rest for 1 hour. Next, gently remove the dough onto a floured surface. Divide it into 8 equal portions, aiming for each ball to weigh between 250 and 310 grams. Shape each piece by folding the dough under itself to create a smooth, round ball. Place these on a floured sheet pan, cover with plastic wrap, and let them rest at room temperature for 2 hours for their final proof. Now for the exciting part, baking. Preheat your oven to its highest temperature, around 500 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pizza stone inside for at least 1 hour. This ensures a perfectly crispy crust. Gently stretch your dough, add your favorite toppings, and carefully slide it onto the hot stone. Bake for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden and the cheese is wonderfully bubbly. Enjoy your homemade, authentic pizza.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.